Today we are going to start with hypermetropia. Hypermetropia is what? Long sightedness. Long sightedness means जो है means long sighted है. Person can see distant object clearly but cannot see nearby objects clearly. So that means hypermetropia is defined as that defect of vision in which person can see distant object clearly but cannot see nearby object clearly. Now we'll understand with the help of three words HLX. Myopia मैंने आपको तीन वर्ड्स क्या बताए थे? MSC. HL stands for hypermetropia or long sightedness. whose meaning I explained you. X के तीन मीनिंग है. जैसे मायोपिया में तीन मीनिंग ई के लिए थे हमने. इंक्रीज इन कन्वर्जिंग पावर, हेयर डिक्रीज इन कन्वर्जिंग पावर, in myopia increase in size of eyeball, here decrease in size of eyeball. Here we have used concave lens for correction, here we'll using convex lens. So X मैंने three things. Number one, decrease in converging power of eye lens. Number two, decrease in size of eyeball. Decrease. And for using correction, we'll be using convex lens. Up to this clear all of you? Now we'll understand what happens actually during hypermetropia. During hypermetropia, before we understand, let us understand when person has to see nearby objects. Object is at least distance of distinct vision. This is what? Normal eye looking at nearby objects, near point, doing reading or writing work. In this case, image is formed on retina if object is placed at 25 centimeter or D. This is normal eyes near point. Is a normal eye. Now let us say HE. HE means hypermetropic eye. L means looking at near point. In that case, when object is placed at near point, that is 25 centimeter, image is formed after retina because either size of eyeball has decreased or converging power has decreased. That is why image is formed somewhat here. Am I clear? How to do the correction? Let us understand. As I told you, we'll be doing the correction with the help of convex lens. What this convex lens is doing for us, let us say if I have to read on one notebook is in my hand. If I am normal, I am having normal eye means no hypermetropia, I can place it here and I can read it. But if I am having hypermetropia, I have to place it here. Now what my specs will do for me, what that lens will do for me, the object which is placed over here, its image is formed on the my defective near point. Its image will be formed on my defective near point where I can see clearly. Same thing this lens is doing. Now object is placed at 25 centimeters. This is object distance. It is placed at least distance of distinct vision, that is 25 centimeters. Now this lens forms a virtual image where on defective near point, and dash is what? Defective near point, that is minus x. Let us say I will take this distance as minus x. X is the distance of defective near point, minus n because it is before the lens. It is not after the lens. It is against the incident ray. Now this image act as object for our eye lens, and image found by it is on the retina, because its converging power has been increased by this convex lens. So this is what V. Now how to do the correction? मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला कि U हमेशा क्या लेंगे हम लोग? U will always be target. Target in this case is what? Minus D. Target in this case is minus D. D means least distance of distinct vision. Generally it will be given the numerical that I should look at now near point, or person should able to restore his normal vision. In all that case you will be taken as D. V is what? Defective near point. In this case it is minus X. So when I will take it with the help of this lens formula, always remember U is target and V is defective near point in case of hypermetropia, and in case of myopia it is defective far point. So 1 upon V means 1 upon minus X. Minus minus sign, this becomes plus. I will make it plus in next step. 1 upon D. So when we take the LCM, this will become XD minus D plus X. So I can write it as X minus D upon XD. So F will be equal to XD upon X minus D. So whenever you have to solve the numerical of hypermetropia, you can use this formula directly. XD upon X minus D, where X is what? Distance of defective near point, and D is least distance of distinct vision. Or if you are using directly numerical by using the lens formula, you can take U as minus 25 centimeter, or sometime it will be given in the numericals also. That I will explain you in the separate video, that is numericals, when how to know the numericals. And X is what? Let us say in this case this distance is 80 centimeter. Is it clear? So for solving the numericals of myopia, we can use the formula for myopia. We can use the formula simply F is equal to minus X, and for hypermetropia we'll use the formula XD upon X minus D. In separate lesson we'll be discussing how to do the numericals of myopia and hypermetropia. Now let us discuss third defect of vision, that is presbyopia. Presbyopia is what? It is that defect of vision in which old age person cannot see nearby things clearly. It basically there is no difference between hypermetropia and presbyopia. Hypermetropia is what? When person is not able to see nearby thing clearly, it can happen in any age. Whereas presbyopia is what? Old age hypermetropia. Presbyopia is what? Old age hypermetropia. In hypermetropia there are two reasons: decrease in size of eyeball or decrease in converging power. But in presbyopia only there is only one reason, that decrease in converging power. As with the age our ciliary muscles becomes weak and they are not able to increase the converging power of eye lens, they lose their flexibility. So in presbyopia there is only and only one reason: due to weakening of the ciliary muscles, our converging power decreases. As far as solving of its numerical is concerned, ray diagrams are concerned, it is same as hypermetropia, I repeat. So how it can be corrected? By convex lens, or sometimes with the help of bifocal lens also. With the help of means a combination of concave lens and convex lens. When we take the specs, when we make the specs with the concave lens and convex lens, upper portion, for example we are making specs, this upper portion will be of concave lens, and this will be convex lens. So in presbyopia, the only and only one reason is there, that is decrease in converging power due to weakening of ciliary muscles, because in old age person loses its flexibility, ciliary muscle loses its flexibility to increase the converging power. Now we'll just let us sum up. In myopia and in hypermetropia, number one, person can see nearby things clearly but cannot see distant object clearly. Here person can see distant object clearly but cannot see nearby object clearly. Here eyeball, what happens? Size increases. Size of eyeball increases. Here size decreases. Power here increases, here decreases. How we can do correction? Correction can be done by concave lens. It is done by convex lens. As far as formula is concerned, formula f is equal to minus x, where x is what? Defective far point. Here f is equal to xd upon x minus d, where s is defective near point and d is the least distance of distinct vision. Is it clear to all of you? If we are using directly lens formula, we can do it by two methods, either by using these formulas or by lens formula. Whenever we were doing it with the lens formula, always remember u is target. In case of myopia, it is infinity, or it will be given in the numerical. V is defective far point. Whereas in hypermetropia, u is what? 25 centimeter, or it is given in the numerical, and V is what? Defective near point. With this, I'll end with the today's lecture. In next module, we'll be discussing about how to solve numericals. Thank you so much.